Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and as you can see that the chart looks very beautiful, very simple. And as we all know, trading on a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market or a range bound market, because in a trending market, okay, we just need to follow the trend of the market, the basic rule of the market, which says that follow the trend. Okay, follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as we can clearly see that USD CAD is an uptrend, plus it is standing at the support here. Okay, so it makes it a very lucrative trade here. But we must also understand few factors for USD CAD, because there are some factors that directly have a direct impact on the chart of USD CAD. So let's find out. So we have understood the trend of the market. It's clear that it's a clear uptrend. Okay, and as we all know, we get the best price on an uptrend market always near this support, and right now we can see that we have USD CAD just standing at a support. And if you do not have these lines, okay, this line on your charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this trend line, because you can see that this trend line is acting as a very uh, strong support for the market, and this support is still a valid one, because whenever market was coming down from above, this was the level that provided support to the market. Okay, so clear. And the second important level on the chart of USD CAD is the line that I have drawn here. And to understand the importance of this line, you need to go to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of USD CAD here, and you can see that we have a resistance. Actually, we had a resistance at this level, and right now which has become the new support for the market, and the level is 1.2610. This was the level that acted as a resistance for the market. Here you can see that previously it acted as a resistance for the market for the last couple of months. Whenever market tried to go up, it faced resistance at this level. Market failed to cross the level for the last couple of months, but previous week market broke the resistance, and right now the same resistance has become the new support for the market. And right now you can see that market is respecting the resistance. And the best part is, in the chart of USD CAD, you will find two support here. You will find two support, one in the form of trend line and the second in the form of the weekly support. And as we all know, the support and resistance level from the weekly chart are very strong, so we have an additional benefit for the buyers here. Okay, but still, okay, still going before going into the buy position, you must consider two factors for USD CAD. Okay, the first important factor is US oil. US oil, or the crude market, sorry, the crude oil has a direct impact on the price of Canadian dollar. Okay, because crude oil is one of the most important part of Canadian economy. So whenever the price of, listen to me carefully now, whenever the price of crude oil goes up, Canadian dollar also goes up, or US dollar goes down. Whenever the price of crude oil goes up, Canadian dollar goes up, or USD CAD goes down. And when the price of crude oil goes down, Canadian dollar goes down and USD CAD goes up. This is the chart of US oil or crude oil. You can see that price is bullish right now. Price is going up here. But here you can see that we have a resistance on the chart of crude oil. So in case market faces the resistance and goes down from here, listen to me carefully. In case market reverses from here or goes down from here, then definitely USD CAD will be going up, because Canadian dollar will also weaken along with the weakening crude oil. Then USD CAD will be going up. So if if crude oil goes down from here, from the resistance, USD CAD will be going up. There is a possibility. Okay, these are all possibilities here. Okay, and one more factor is the DXY, US dollar. It also has a direct impact on USD CAD. Whenever US dollar goes up, USD CAD goes up. Whenever US dollar goes down, USD CAD goes down. Right now you can see that though US dollar seems to be bullish here, but it has broke the support. It has broke the support here. And this was the reason why USD gets all of a sudden made a red candle. This was the reason why it made a red candle. So let's see how the market opens on Monday. So on Monday, if US dollar goes up from here, or if US dollar tries to regain its position above the trend line again, then definitely it will be going up. Then we will see some good buying on the USD CAD as well. So what I'm trying to say is that though USD CAD is in the sweet position or sweetest position right now, still you must also focus on the chart of DXY or crude oil, so that you can get the additional confirmation whether you are in the right track or not. Just keep in mind, just keep it simple. If DXY goes up, USD CAD will be going up. If DXY or US dollar starts going down, then USD CAD will also be going down. And on the other hand, if if crude oil starts falling or crude oil starts going down, then also USD CAD will be going down. And we have seen that there is a resistance on the chart of crude oil as well. And if you go the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. Okay, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 29% retail traders have taken short position and 70% retail traders have taken long position. So 70% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up, and 29% are thinking that market will be going down, and we are also thinking that market will be going up. But the difference is that, see, they have taken long position at 1.2 see, they have taken long position at 1.2857. They have taken long position at this particular range. So okay, and we are planning to take a position at this particular portion only if market reverses and dollar and crude oil gives a thumbs up to our decision. Okay, so there is a difference between their decision of the other retail traders and our decision, because we are trying to take a trade with proper analysis and proper logic here. Okay, and one more thing, my dear friends, I have recently launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, and where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities available on the market for just $15 per month. And if you are interested, okay, just go to the information once. If you feel that my analysis may help you to earn money, then you can just click on the subscribe button. Okay. And if you are a new trader, if you want to learn trading from from me, okay, then you just go to the workshop section on my website. You'll find all the necessary details. Okay, if you want to learn from me, if you want to do analysis like me, then just sign up for a personal class with me. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye.